Hey, little artist! Are you ready to rev up your creativity? Today, we're going to draw an awesome scooter together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our markers and get ready for an exciting ride. First, let's begin by drawing the main structure of our scooter. Sketch out the body, making sure to capture its sleek and stylish design. Next, let's add the seat where our rider will sit comfortably. Then, draw the front wheel. And the back wheel to give our scooter its rolling power. Now, let's add some cool features to our scooter. Draw a headlight at the front to light up the way, and don't forget the handle for steering. Add a rearview mirror for safety, so our rider can see what's behind them. And let's add a heart shape on the engine cover, because scooters are made with love. With our sketch complete, let's go over the outlines with our marker, making them bold and sharp. This will give our scooter drawing a clean and polished look that's ready to hit the streets. Get ready to add some vibrant colors to our scooter. Show your color pens, and let's start coloring. As we color, let's name each color we use. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Cool. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Fantastic job, little artists! You've created an amazing scooter that's ready for some fun adventures. Keep exploring your artistic talents and drawing new creations. Until next time, happy coloring! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.